I've been gone for 1 year, 1.5 years, and this is the Adventures Underground Quarantine Box. It cures your boredom when you're in quarantine, and I'm going to unbox it.
Show them. What'd you get?
I got Sour Patch Kids.
Ooh.
I have gotten a magic pencil case. Makes pencils disappear.
Cool.
Or smaller objects.
The magic kit.
I got mini shoes. A duck.
Gotta show the camera everything.
Duck. Mini shoes. Pencil case. The structural integrity of this feels like a book. And guess what? I'm right.
Need a new book to read, so perfect. What's the book? Show us the book.
Hatchet carried that.
Hatchet by Gary Paulson. Cool. Now you got something to read.
Okay, next thing. Your uncle would very much like. My uncle would very much like that.
What was it?
Goku staff. No, it's a Son Goku staff
Okay.
holder thing. Okay, I got very small thing. Ooh, I got the goose.
What did you get?
I got thinking putty. Just gonna get on. I'm gonna leave the biggest one to last. Okay, we have red box. Very red and black box. We got peg game. I don't know what to do in peg game, but it's a peg game.
Show the camera.
Peg game.
Peg game. Okay.
Okay, that's the big board. That was receipts.
What is it?
We got bouncy putty. It's putty that's bouncy. They are liars. Is there anything else? Okay, there's a bigger one. Okay. We have big boy box. That's silver and hard to open. It's a board game. The mazes. Why is the baby?
Show the camera.
Why did the baby go to the zoo?
We'll have to play it and find out.
Because they had to go to the other side.
Oh.
Okay, now we have biggest and heaviest box. I'm not saying that the whole thing, but I got this big boy.
You got the dangerous book for boys. We'll have to do stuff in that.
Okay, there's nothing else. I have big thing.
Oh,
I did. Hey, bomb rocket? Oh, I got a rocket launcher. As if they weren't pump and fly. Oh,
so you pump it up and then shoot it.
but how?
We'll have to find out. So that was the Adventures Underground quarantine box, guaranteed to kill boredom.
Yes.
And they can pick it up. They can order it where? Adventures Underground?
Yes. Adventures Underground.
Okay, sign off.
Goodbye.